Reduce your import costs, increase cash flow, and improve supply chain velocity with QAD Foreign Trade Zone. Every day, manufacturers and distributors leverage QAD Foreign Trade Zone to defer import duties, eliminate taxes, reduce import fees, minimize time-consuming administration efforts, simplify customs processes, and gain a competitive advantage. QAD Foreign Trade Zone significantly reduces FTZ administration time and offers the highest level of compliance. QAD Foreign Trade Zone provides all FTZ modules and annual reports, real-time validation of data, free document storage, and an unlimited number of concurrent users, all in a single software solution. With QAD, you can efficiently optimize FTZ operations across your processes, systems, and people. Learn more at QAD.com.